Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of NewsProfixPro, which launched on the 17th of June at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time, 9 AM in fact. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release from Mosh Barry. What this software essentially does is it allows you to create fully automated self-updating news sites that make you money and earn you commission every single day from free traffic. So how does this work in a nutshell? Well, it means that you can create, if you have the upsell version, an unlimited number of sites, and with the front end version you can create 10 sites in any case, that will continually populate themselves with news content that people will be interested in because it's hot, trending topics that people will want to read. Now, in amongst all these news stories, you will also be populating the sites with your affiliate links, marketing products from Amazon, eBay and Walmart. Yeah, if you don't know how to set that up, don't worry, it's very straightforward to do so. You just add your links onto the site, and it is 40 seconds to set up a site, literally. So you will see on my bonus page there's actually a demo video from Mosh that shows you how to set up one of these sites in literally under 40 seconds. So if this sounds like that it's something of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up NewsProfixPro from the link immediately underneath this review video. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they will expire. Now, I wouldn't want that to happen, folks, because as the title suggests, they are indeed custom bonuses, which means they won't be available from any other affiliate. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of NewsProfixPro, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realise that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and indeed way more useful than what any other affiliate is offering. So what actually is NewsProfixPro? Well, as I said, it is a way that you can create fully automated self-updating sites that make money and earn commissions every single day from free traffic, and you will never have to update these sites manually ever again. You should watch this sales video from Jason Fulton, who is Mosh's business partner here. Just click on play and
fully automated self-updating self-growing sites in just 60 seconds.
Yeah, you can actually do it in less than that. You can create multiple auto income sites. As I said, you can create 10 on the front end. You can make passive income sites that work. No writing, social posting or video making ever. No paid traffic. This works automatically. It works in any niche you want. No manual work. The site will grow automatically and get traffic too. And you can start seeing results in 24 hours. And there's just some testimonials there from the beta testers that have tested this product. You can see some examples of the earnings during the beta testing period. There's Jason and Mosh. So it's passive income. This is really set and forget, folks, because as you'll see from the demo video, you literally just choose the news source that you want to use for a particular site. So I could use the BBC, or I could use CNN, I could use ABC News, I could use Fox, whatever I wanted to use. I just click the button and the site is created for me, and it automatically adds my links and adds products. Yeah, so it is absolutely dead straightforward and very newbie friendly, this method, folks. So let's have a look at the bonuses that you will get if you pick this up from the link immediately underneath my review video. So when you come onto this page, you will see this video that I've just recorded here. This is just a confirmation of what the site does, what I've just said. Now, this is the demo video from Mosh, which you should definitely watch. It's about 3 minutes long, and this will show you how he creates a site in 40 seconds. Now, it's a bit longer than 40 seconds because obviously he's explaining what he's doing. But
hello, friends. This is Mosh Barry. Welcome to the demo of NewsProfixPro.
So you can see here it's going to give you a quick walkthrough of the members area, and then he's going to press his countdown timer over here, and you can actually watch in real time as he creates this new site in 40 seconds. Yeah, so absolutely do watch this demo video. Okay, so my custom bonuses. Yeah, the only reason that you can possibly fail with this method is if you don't get enough traffic to your sites. Yeah, because obviously they're populated with readable content that people are going to enjoy. If they're seeing the site, they're going to click on some of the links and they're going to buy some of the affiliate products that are related to the story, like any other news site. You know, if you go to the home page of any commercial site, the BBC's the exception, of course, because it's funded slightly differently, but all of the others exist from paid advertising. And if you go to any of those sites, you know, you click on links all day long, and that's how the sites make money. So obviously paid traffic, or rather free traffic, comes with the self-optimization that's built in to the sites that you're creating. Yeah, so you will get traffic to those sites, but if you want to really speed the process up, then you can do so by using my custom bonuses. Yeah, so the first thing is an SEO masterclass on how to optimize the sites yourself to make sure that you are getting a flood of traffic to them. So this is about an hour and a half long, this masterclass, and it tells you absolutely everything you need to know about optimizing any website or blog. The second thing that I'm going to include is a brand new bonus that I've only been offering for about a week or so, and this is 4 free website traffic super hacks, all of which are 2019 hacks that work a treat. Yeah, and again, this will get you a load of traffic to any website, blog, or indeed offer page. The next thing I'm going to include is an ultimate blog masterclass. For those of you that have your own site that you're populating with your own content, I just want to make sure that you're doing things the right way for 2019 again, because this is all updated information. Again, this is about an hour and a half long, showing you exactly what's working in blogs at the moment, blogging in 2019. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to get instant content for free. It's a little hack from super affiliate John O. Armstrong on how to get unique content for your pages without writing it yourself. And finally, obviously you're going to be populating this site with items from Amazon, eBay and Walmart. This is just another little hack from John O. Armstrong about how to find the hot selling items, the hot trending items, so you're not wasting your time by listing stuff that isn't going to sell. Yeah, very easy to do. So they are my custom bonuses, folks, that I am throwing in with any copy of NewsProfixPro that you pick up from my link. So let's just head back onto the main sales page. As I said, I'm not going to go through this in too much detail because obviously you can read it yourself. It's full of the usual collection of testimonials and results from the beta collection, the beta testers, as you would expect. So all you have to do to get this work, folks, is to enter a site name. Just choose a site name and keywords to create your new news site. Enter a few keywords to find products on Amazon and the others that can be promoted. Push one button and then you are ready to go, as you will see in that demo video. No more creating sites manually and posting content by hand. No more using complicated site building software to create sites. No more hiring designers or content writers to create your sites. And no more having to create original articles and content for marketing. You can now create profitable, profit-pulling news sites that grow. And that pretty much is, everything there is to it. So you can create sites with unlimited content, fully automated. As I said, once you set them up, they will continue to self-populate themselves every day, 20 posts a day, or however many posts you want to appear. You can automatically monetize the sites. You can build engaging affiliate funnels in any niche. You can promote e-com products from eBay and Walmart. In one click, you can find thousands of content sources for your sites. You can get fully SEO'd news content, get free viral traffic from 32 sites automatically. This is a good one, folks. This is the built-in traffic system in the NewsProfixPro software it makes sure that you get free traffic for every post and article on your site using 32 top social media sites where your content is posted automatically every day. You get 100% free social engaging traffic that multiplies your results. Complete step-by-step video guides are included, folks. All your sites are hosted. No hosting needed. Don't need your own server. Powerful dedicated servers to run all your sites. Connect your own domain or use the web-hosted system. A complete all-inclusive system. No need for anything extra. And there are also vendors bonuses in the first week. The first one is VIP Facebook community and coaching. And the second one is a 300k visitors case study. So all of that is included on the front end, folks. And the price, well, there's a one site license for $1 less. So I'm guessing you're going to be some sort of a numpty if you take that one. But that one is $21, and then the normal pro license, which includes 10 sites, is $22, folks. And that is going to be going up in about 4 hours, I think. So this launched, as I said, at 9 a.m. on the 17th of June. In fact, no, you've got a little bit longer looking at this. Sorry, you've got 21 hours still to go. So this is the first day price, $22, folks, your chance to get it at that price. So let's just have a look at the funnel. Now, I'm certainly going to recommend that you take the first upsell, which is the pro version, which is $67, folks, because this will allow you to create unlimited sites, The standard edition comes with a 10-site license, which is fine to get started with, and you can easily earn up to $500 a month with these, But because they're so quick and easy to churn out, why not maximize your chances of earning by just churning out loads and loads of these sites at multiple, with multiple news content on them, from different sources. That is the way that you're really going to ensure that you succeed with this. So I absolutely recommend that you take this pro edition, watch the video, but it's a no-brainer, folks. This is where the serious money is with this. The second upsell is 100 times advanced edition. This is $97. What if there was a way to generate some quick and easy cash with NewsProfixPro? What if there was a way to scale your income much higher? Well, using this hidden treasure, you can profit instantly with just a few simple tweaks, and you can increase your profits by 50 to 100 times. Let's have a look at what's included. Every day is packed with fresh news you can monetize. The NewsProfixPro 100 Advanced method includes the hidden system of tapping into the hottest niches that you can profit from instantly. Exciting news happens every day and almost always involves products that are available online right now to sell. With this quick and easy trend system, you can profit from breaking news every single day. The next upsell is the done for you money sites, which is $297. How would you like all the work done for you while you generate huge commissions completely hands-free? This will allow you to run this site completely hands-free. Mosh and Jason are going to build 20 live sites for you. They've created 20 hot, ready to go commission money sites and will set them up for you completely hand-free. All you have to do is plug straight into them for instant results. The next upsell is the super traffic machine, which is $77. This will explode your traffic and sales while building you an army of people desperate to promote your NewsProfixPro money sites for you. And finally is the license rights, which are $197. So all of Mosh's upsells are always good, folks. I would certainly take, as I said, the Pro Unlimited Profits edition. And if you can afford the more advanced edition and the done for you, you're going to make your life a hell of a lot easier, folks. So I recommend all of it pretty much on this one. So that is pretty much it, folks. Just a reminder that if you want to benefit from all these bonuses that I'm offering, then you need to click any of these links before this countdown timer up here reaches 0, obviously at which point they will then have gone. That will bring you through to the sales page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and choose your offer of either 21 or 22. As I said, you're going to be a muppet if you take the 21 version, and then that will bring you back through to your area of Warrior Plus, the members area and your receipt area, where you click on the green button to access your copy of NewsProfixPro, and you click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that is pretty much it, folks. So all that's left for me to do is to thank you as ever for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of NewsProfixPro.